Welcome to Comparative VPN YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll talk about the best VPN for DraftKings and explain how you can access it anywhere, even in restricted countries. DraftKings is an online betting website that gained popularity thanks to fantasy sports, while offering a sportsbook and casino on the side. This website is available in the United States and Canada, so if you're located anywhere else when trying to access the site, you will get this geo-restriction message saying exactly that. So what can you do? Well, you can surely use the DraftKings VPN to unblock the website, but before I show you how to do that, let me just remind you to like this video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to remain notified whenever we publish a new useful video like this one. Okay, so to use a VPN for DraftKings, you need to know in which states you can play DraftKings. On its website, I found this image which I downloaded to my PC just so I can show you where DraftKings is available. The green regions on the map show you where you can play it, while the gray areas are still on the blacklist. So, can you play DraftKings in California, for example? Sure, California is painted in green here, and so is New York, Michigan, Colorado, Virginia, Pennsylvania, and many other regions. Of course, Canada is also a green region, but it isn't displayed on this map. So, to play DraftKings abroad, you need to use a VPN for DraftKings to change your IP address to the state or country where the site is available. Doing so, you'll change your online location to that country, which will make DraftKings see you as if you're located there and hopefully give you access. The best VPN for DraftKings for me is ExpressVPN. This VPN has more than 3,000 servers in 94 countries with 20 plus locations in the US and 3 locations in Canada. This, along with the fastest speeds, rock-solid security and easy-to-use applications for all platforms, make ExpressVPN easily my favorite DraftKings VPN. To unblock DraftKings, you need to get an IP address from any of the locations I mentioned. To do that, I'll click here to open the server list, choose all locations, click on Americas, and as you can see, the United States is right here. Now I'll click on this arrow, and as you can see, all 20 plus locations in the US are right here. As I said, DraftKings is available in New York, so I need to double click on it and ExpressVPN will establish a connection in less than a few seconds. As I said, in a second or two, ExpressVPN establishes a connection to the server located in New York, so I need to go back to the site, refresh the page, and as you can see, it now really works. Now, I already made an account a few weeks prior to recording this video, so I can immediately start betting. If you're having trouble depositing money through PayPal or credit/debit card because of your real location, you can use a gift card instead. This way, you can add the money to your account without actually being located in the state you chose in ExpressVPN or stated in your registration process. And that's pretty much it. As you saw, using the best VPN for DraftKings, which is ExpressVPN, I managed to unblock DraftKings with a few clicks of a mouse. However, keep in mind that this is not a free VPN. The good thing is that it currently offers a big 49% discount and 3 months free for the annual plan, backed up by a 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee for all subscription plans. This means that you can use it to unblock and access DraftKings in the US countries that are restricted. And if you don't want to bet anymore or DraftKings simply became available in your country in the meantime, you can get a full refund in the first 30 days of your purchase by requesting it from customer support. By the way, you can get this deal I mentioned by using this link, comparative-vpn.fr/evpn, or you can do so by using the link in the description box below the video. Another VPN I want to recommend is CyberGhost. This one has nearly 8,000 servers in 91 countries, with almost 1,300 servers in the US in 11 locations. What's more, you'll also get nearly 400 servers in 3 locations in Canada, making it yet another great DraftKings VPN. While not faster than ExpressVPN, it offers streaming and P2P servers, an ad blocker, and 7 simultaneous connections on a single subscription. Mind you, it's also a lot cheaper than ExpressVPN, which you can see on the screen right now. Its 3-year plan costs way below $3 a month, and you get a 45-day money-back guarantee instead. Important to mention is that both VPNs offer apps for all devices, so you can use the best VPN for DraftKings to gamble on any platform. And if you find CyberGhost more compelling, make sure you get this awesome deal through this link, comparative-vpn.fr/cg, or as always, just check the link in the description box below the video to claim the cheapest possible deal on CyberGhost VPN. With that said, I think you already know how to use a DraftKings VPN to unblock DraftKings anywhere. Beware that free VPNs aren't going to give you the same result given their inability to unblock DraftKings. They not only have very few server locations, but in 99% of the cases, DraftKings easily detects a free VPN and blocks your access immediately. That aside, you can count on limited monthly bandwidth, very slow speeds and poor security, due to which you'll only risk your privacy through exposing your personal information to third-party companies. Thus, I strongly advise avoiding free VPNs in this case, especially when you can use the best VPN for DraftKings risk-free without losing any money thanks to a 30 and 45-day money-back guarantee. Having that in mind, this was all for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to our channel and stick with us because many more useful videos like this are coming very soon. See you in the next video. Bye.